Are you looking for a good side hustle for you to make some extra money in your spare time? Imagine making an extra $1,000 or even $10,000 per month working whenever you want, wherever you want. This is not only possible, but very doable, and today I'm going to give you 11 different opportunities for you to make money and achieve financial freedom. To give you the best, most value-packed video, I've organized 11 different side hustles and categorized them into 3 different types. After watching this video, you will be equipped with knowledge for how to start making money in all of these different ways, and will have the groundwork laid for you to choose which type of side hustle will work best for you, so you can choose which opportunity you want to pursue. These 11 side hustles can help you rake in anywhere from a solid $1,000 per month to even $10,000 per month and beyond. And toward the end of the video, I'll be laying out the details on some side hustles that really have no limits as to the amount of money you can make doing them. If this sounds good to you, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I'm always making videos about new ways you can make money online, and you won't want to miss any of my new videos. Let's get into it. Side hustles come in all shapes and sizes. Some side hustles are great temporary gigs that can bring in extra income while you work on bigger ideas, and some side hustles start as side hustles and can eventually grow into full-fledged businesses. I'm going to talk about 3 types of side hustles today, the first type being hands-on hustles. Hands-on hustles require more physical, in-person type work. They don't really have the potential to turn into million-dollar businesses like some of the side hustles we'll discuss later on, but they can be a great way to get started earning a little extra cash, and they require little to no skills to get started. First on the list of hands-on hustles is doing Uber or DoorDash. Getting started with Uber or DoorDash as a side hustle is a straightforward process and can quickly turn your free time into a steady stream of income. Uber allows you to earn money by giving rides to passengers, while DoorDash focuses on delivering food from restaurants to customers. If you enjoy driving and interacting with people, Uber might be your best bet. If you prefer a more flexible schedule with less passenger interaction, DoorDash could be the perfect fit. To get started with Uber, you'll need to meet a few requirements. You must be at least 21 years old, have a valid driver's license, and own a vehicle that meets Uber's standards. The car must be a 4-door model in good condition and pass a vehicle inspection. Once you've ensured your vehicle is eligible, sign up on Uber's website or app, provide the necessary documentation, and complete a background check. Once approved, you can start accepting ride requests through the Uber driver app. For DoorDash, the requirements are similar. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid driver's license, and access to a vehicle, bike, or scooter. Sign up on the DoorDash website or app, complete the application process, and undergo a background check. After approval, you'll receive a DoorDash activation kit, which includes a hot bag and a prepaid card for order payments. Once set up, you can start accepting delivery requests through the DoorDash driver app. Both platforms offer flexibility, allowing you to choose when and how often you work. Uber drivers and DoorDashers typically make between $15 and $25 per hour. So if you can put in 15 hours per week, you can expect to make an average of $300 per week or $1,200 per month. This side hustle is perfect for those looking to supplement their income without committing to a rigid schedule. Second on the list of hands-on hustles is dog sitting and dog walking. If you love dogs and are looking for a fun, flexible way to earn extra income, dog sitting or dog walking might be the perfect side hustle for you. Rover.com is a popular online platform that connects pet owners with trusted dog sitters and walkers. To get started, first sign up on Rover.com and create a profile that highlights your love for dogs, relevant experience, and availability. Make sure to include clear, friendly photos of yourself with pets, as well as a detailed description of your services. You can offer a range of services such as dog walking, drop-in visits, overnight boarding, and house sitting. The more comprehensive and appealing your profile, the more likely you are to attract clients. Once your profile is complete, Rover will conduct a background check to ensure the safety of the pets and the community. After you've passed the screening process, your profile will go live and pet owners in your area can start booking your services. To increase your visibility on the platform, you might consider obtaining certifications in pet first aid or CPR and encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews and ratings. High ratings and positive feedback will boost your profile, making it more attractive to potential clients. Rover.com allows you to set your own rates and choose the types of pets you want to work with. The platform also provides provides a secure payment system so you can focus on the fun part, spending time with dogs. As you gain experience and build a loyal client base, you can gradually increase your rates. On average, part-time dog sitters and walkers on Rover.com can earn about $1,000 per month. By dedicating a few hours a day to this side hustle, you could turn your passion for pets into a great source of extra income. Last on our list of hands-on side hustles is flipping furniture, household items, and clothing. Flipping furniture has become an increasingly popular side hustle, and one of the main benefits of flipping furniture is its low startup cost. You can often find pieces to refurbish at thrift stores, garage sales, or even on the curb for free. With some basic tools and paint, you can transform these items into valuable, stylish pieces that appeal to a wide range of buyers. The profit margins can be impressive, with many flippers earning anywhere from $500 per month as a part-time gig to upwards of $10,000 per month if they take it on full-time. To get started, begin scouting for furniture that has good bones but might need some cosmetic updates. Wooden items like dressers, tables, and chairs are great candidates. Look for sturdy construction and avoid pieces with significant structural damage unless you're confident in your repair skills. Once you have your items, clean them thoroughly, sand them down if necessary, and apply your creative touch, whether that's a fresh coat of paint, new hardware, or an entirely new design. Marketing your refurbished pieces is key to making sales. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, and Pinterest to showcase your work. Creating an Etsy shop or selling at local flea markets and craft fairs can also attract potential buyers. Similar side hustle ideas include flipping household items and clothing. For household items, focus on smaller decor pieces like lamps, mirrors, and vintage kitchenware. These items can often be found inexpensively and with a little cleaning and creative staging sold for a profit. Clothing flipping involves sourcing high-quality or designer items from thrift stores, clearance sales, or online marketplaces, and then reselling them at a higher price. This requires a keen eye for fashion and an understanding of current trends and can be very lucrative. Now that we've covered a few hands-on hustles and their earning potential, let's get into the second type of side hustle, online work-from-home hustles. First on the list of online work-from-home hustles is transcription. This is a great side hustle because it requires little to no skill to get started. The essence of transcription involves listening to audio recordings and converting them into written documents. This can include anything from interviews, meetings, and podcasts to legal proceedings and medical dictations. To get started, you can sign up on various transcription websites, each offering unique opportunities and pay rates. Rev.com is one of the most popular websites to get started with transcription, and other transcription sites include GoTranscript, GMR Transcription, Daily Transcription, Transcribe Anywhere, and TranscribeMe. As a transcriptionist, you can expect to earn an average of $16 to $23 per hour, with many transcriptionists making around $20 per hour. This means that by dedicating 10 to 15 hours per week, you can easily make an extra $200 to $300 weekly, translating to $800 to $1,200 per month. One of the keys to maximizing your income as a transcriptionist is to work for multiple sites simultaneously. By diversifying your sources of work, you can ensure a steady stream of projects and avoid downtime between assignments. This approach also allows you to choose from a broader range of projects, keeping your work interesting and varied. Second on the list of online work-from-home hustles is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants offers the flexibility to work from anywhere while helping businesses and individuals with various tasks. If you're organized, tech-savvy, and good at multitasking, becoming a virtual assistant might be the perfect opportunity for you. One of the easiest ways to get started as a virtual assistant is by working through FancyHands, a platform that connects virtual assistants with clients who need help with everyday tasks. FancyHands offers a variety of tasks, from scheduling appointments and managing emails to conducting research and data entry. The platform is user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. To begin with FancyHands, sign up on their website and complete the application process. Once approved, you'll gain access to a pool of tasks that you can choose from based on your availability and skills. The pay ranges from $16 to $23 per hour, with an average of $19 per hour. This means that dedicating just 15 hours a week can earn you an extra $285, translating to a little over $1,100 per month. The flexible nature of FancyHands allows you to work whenever you have free time, making it an excellent option for those balancing other commitments. Third on our list of online work-from-home side hustles is online tutoring. A great website to get started with this side hustle is is Preply. Preply is a popular online tutoring marketplace that connects students with tutors worldwide. It offers a wide range of subjects from teaching English or other languages to academic subjects, music, and exam preparation. Getting started on Preply is straightforward. Create a profile highlighting your qualifications, teaching experience, and the subjects you specialize in. Upload any relevant certifications or degrees to enhance your credibility. If you don't have a background in teaching but you speak English or another language, teaching a language you know is an easy way to start. Once your profile is approved, you can set your own hourly rate and availability. Preply provides tools for scheduling lessons, conducting classes via video chat, and managing payments securely. This flexibility allows you to work around your existing schedule. The earning potential with online tutoring on Preply varies based on your experience, subject expertise, and availability. On average, popular tutors on Preply earn up to $550 per week, which translates to $2,200 per month. By dedicating consistent hours and maintaining positive student feedback, you can increase your visibility on the platform and attract more students. In addition to Preply, you can explore other online tutoring platforms like Tutor.com, 𝗓𝗏𝗡, and Chegg Tutors to expand your client base and maximize your earning potential. Last on the list of online work-from-home side hustles is freelancing. If you have marketable skills and a strong work ethic, freelancing through online platforms can be a rewarding side hustle that can even turn into a full-time career. To get started in freelancing, the first step is to identify your skills and expertise. Some of the most in-demand types of freelancing services include creating websites, video editing, graphic design, writing and content creation, social media management, and translation services. Freelance websites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with clients seeking their specific skills. To start freelancing, you'll just need to create a detailed profile highlighting your expertise and portfolio. You'll want to set competitive rates initially, starting from $20 to $30 per hour for beginners, and then as you gain experience and a reputation, you can charge upwards of $60 or more. The earning potential for freelancers is substantial, with many full-time freelancers earning six-figure incomes annually. Success often depends on building a strong portfolio, delivering high-quality work on time, and cultivating positive client relationships. This is a great side hustle because you can do it on your own time, choose which clients and work to accept depending on what you have time for in your schedule, and the amount of money you can make can increase over time and even become a full-time gig if you want it to. Now into the third type of side hustle, and that is to start your own business. For the side hustles we've talked about so far in the video, you're essentially trading your time for money, which limits the amount of money that you can make. The benefit of starting a business as your side hustle is that your earning potential starts to increase dramatically the more work you put into it. So let's go over some of the most lucrative business ideas that you can start as a side hustle. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, please let me know by giving it a like so I know to make more content like this in the future. Now into business idea number 1, starting a freelance agency. This is an expansion of the last side hustle we talked about, only this time, instead of doing the freelancing work yourself, you're going to outsource the work to other freelancers who can do it at a lower cost than what you charge clients, which is where you make a profit just for managing the projects that get done. To begin, establish a strong presence on freelancing platforms by creating a detailed profile that highlights your expertise in the niche of services you plan to offer. This can be any of the niches we discussed before, such as website creation, graphic design, video editing, etc. Remember, in this model, because you'll be hiring other freelancers to do the work, you don't necessarily need to have those skills yourself. You'll just need to be able to know what quality work looks like in that niche and be able to manage the work getting done. Once your profile is established, start recruiting skilled freelancers who can complete projects at a lower cost than what you charge clients. This strategy allows you to generate profit margins by marking up the freelancer's rate while providing competitive pricing to clients. The earning potential with a freelancing agency can be substantial. On the lower end, you can generate around $3,000 per month by managing a few projects with a small team of freelancers. As you scale up and expand your client base, earnings can increase significantly, with successful entrepreneurs bringing in $10,000 to $20,000 per month or more. Second on the list of business side hustles is dropshipping. Dropshipping has emerged as a popular business model for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to start a side hustle with minimal upfront investment. The premise of dropshipping involves selling products to customers without holding any inventory inventory yourself. Instead, you partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers on your behalf. The process begins by identifying a trending product that meets specific criteria. It must be currently popular on social media, solve a consumer problem, offer unique benefits not readily available locally, and allow for a substantial markup to ensure profitability. Right now, the best way to find dropshipping products is through TikTok. You can find trending items through engaging with product ads so that TikTok starts feeding you all the latest product ideas, and you can also use the TikTok Creative Center to sort for trending products. Once you find a winning product, you then source it from reliable suppliers who can ensure fast shipping times, which can be done using tools like AutoDS integrated with Shopify. Then you need to create TikTok content that models what successful content for the product on TikTok is already doing. Ultimately, success in dropshipping hinges on treating it as a serious business endeavor. As with any business, there will be initial challenges that you'll have to push through, and you need to be willing to continue trying new things and adapting to current market trends. The great thing about dropshipping is that once you find these winning products, there is really no limit to the amount of money you can make as a dropshipper. Beginners can start earning between $1,000 to $5,000 per month, and the average successful dropshipper can earn around $10,000 or more per month. But once you have a successful dropshipping product, you can scale it to even higher numbers and even start to build your own brand that you can eventually sell for millions of dollars on websites like EmpireFlippers.com. Next on the list of business side hustles is print on demand. Print on demand is a very popular side hustle that provides the opportunity to create custom designed products without upfront costs or inventory management. The concept revolves around producing items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases only after a customer places an order, using platforms like Printful or Printify to handle production and shipping logistics. One of the primary appeals of print on demand is its scalability and flexibility. Whether pursued as a part-time endeavor or a full-time business, earning potential can vary widely. Beginners might start earning a few $100s per month, while successful operators can generate upwards of $10,000 monthly, depending on their dedication and marketing strategies. Getting started with print on demand is straightforward. First, you need to select a niche and a target audience. Then come up with design ideas that will appeal to your niche and that will stand out from other sellers. You can use Canva to create PNG files to use for your print-on-demand products. You can then sell your products either on a website like Etsy or on your own Shopify website. If you sell on Etsy, you need to make sure your listings are well optimized using relevant keywords so your listings can be found by your target audience. And whether you're selling on Etsy or you're using your own website, you'll want to use social media platforms to drive traffic to your listings. Pinterest is a great place to start for this because Pinterest is also used as a search engine where relevant keywords will help you get found, and customers on Pinterest are often looking specifically for products to buy. Overall, print on demand offers a flexible and potentially lucrative side hustle or full-time business opportunity for those willing to invest the time into designing quality products. Just like with any business side hustle, if you treat it like a real business and put in the time and energy to make it successful, you can make really good money that only continues to grow over time. Next on our list of business side hustles is selling digital products. Selling digital products is an amazing business opportunity because unlike dropshipping and print on demand, there are no physical products involved, so the logistics are much simpler and the profit margins can be much higher. There are hundreds of different types of digital products you can sell. One example of digital products is selling digital downloads on a website like Etsy. If you want a more detailed tutorial on how to do this, I'll put a link to a video in the description where I give a step-by-step on how to create and sell digital products on Etsy. Etsy is a great marketplace for creators to sell digital downloads such as printable art, planners, templates, and more. Success on Etsy often hinges on niche specialization and effective keyword and listing optimization. And what you can make on Etsy can vary widely, with some sellers making a few $100s per month to others earning tens of thousands per month, depending on product quality, niche appeal, and marketing efforts. Another example of digital products you can sell are ebooks, workshops, and online courses. Selling ebooks and online courses starts with identifying a niche where you excel and can provide valuable knowledge or skills. You can begin by establishing your expertise through social media platforms and starting an email list focusing on your chosen topic. Share insights, tips, and valuable content to build a loyal audience interested in your expertise. Once you've built a following, you then create and market your ebook or online course. You'll want to craft compelling sales pitches highlighting the benefits of your digital product and how it addresses your audience needs or problems. Business owners succeeding in this type of venture can make anywhere from around $10,000 per month through a dedicated audience and effective marketing to scaling to literally millions every year by expanding their course offerings, reaching broader markets, and consistently delivering high-quality content that resonates with their audience. The key lies in continuous engagement with your audience, refining your offerings based on feedback, and scaling your marketing efforts as your digital products gain traction in your niche market. Now, if you're interested in a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell digital products online, you can check out this video where I talk about that. And I'll see you in the next video.